Seriously, don't skip this. Click the link in the description. You'll understand why everyone's talking about it. This product has been blowing up lately, and honestly, it makes total sense. You get incredibly smooth performance, a clean and solid design, and the best part is how effortless it is to use. I tried it thinking it would just be okay, but it turned out to be way above my expectations. If you've been looking for something reliable, simple, and actually worth your time, this is the one you've been waiting for. Go ahead, check the link below. You're going to be glad you did. Wait, don't scroll. Trust me, there's a reason I'm telling you to hit the link in the description. This product has been getting massive attention because it's genuinely impressive. The performance is smooth, the design is strong, and the ease of use makes it perfect for anyone, whether you're a beginner or an expert. What blew me away? Seriously, don't skip this. Click the link in the description. You'll understand why